Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 31 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 744. Find smallest letter greater than target. So I'm going to solve this problem using two approaches. One is simple brute force and second is the binary search way. So both the approaches are very good and we will be able to solve this problem using both the approaches because this is an easy level problem and the constant size is also very small. So in this problem you are given an array of characters letters that is sorted in increasing order and a character target. There are at least two different characters in letters and we have to return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than the target. If such a character doesn't exist, return the first character in letters. So A, so C is greater than A. Just return C. That's it. The smallest character that is lexicographically greater than A in letters is C. Here target is C. So C is greater than C? No. F is greater than C? Yes. So return F. Here we have Z. So X is greater than Z? No. X is greater than Z? No. Y is greater than Z? No. Y is greater than Z? No. So none of the character in letters is greater than Z. So in that case, you have to simply return the first character. So that's what it is saying. Return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than target. And if such a character doesn't exist, return the first character in letters. That's it. And if you see the constant size, so letters dot length is from 2 to 10 to the power 4. So if you just solve this problem using O of n time complexity, so that simply means O of 10 to the power 4, so you will not get any time limit exceed error. So this is acceptable. And letters of I is lowercase English letters is sorted in increasing order, letters contains at least two different characters, and target is a lowercase English letter. So let's solve this problem using simple of n way. So simple, just one loop you need to run, right? So here what you need to do, just run one for loop. So let me just maximize a little bit. So here for you have to just iterate over all the characters in this char array. So here I will say I will use the enhanced for loop. Here I will say letters, and inside this I will simply check if my letter is greater than the target. If this is the case, simply return letter from here. And if you don't return this letter anywhere, in that case you have to simply return the first character, that is you can say letters of 0. That's it. So now let's run it and see. So see, all the test cases has been passed. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So in this case the time complexity is of n. But can we optimize it a little bit more? So yes, we can do that. So instead of iterating over all these letters like this one by one by one, so you are taking off and time complexity, we can optimize it using the binary search logic, in which my time complexity is going to become of log n. How I'm going to do that? So binary search is very simple. So let's suppose if I want to search in this range, so first I will find out the mid and I will check if the character, right, if the letter is acceptable or not. So if it is acceptable, then definitely my answer may lie in this range, so I will search in this range. So then again I will calculate the mid. So if this mid is also, let's say, acceptable answer, then I have to search in this range. Then again I will find the mid. This is not acceptable, let's say, then we have to search in this range. Like this binary search works, right? So let's write the code. We have solved many problems using binary search in the past, so it is also not very complex. Simple. What you need to do here, just take L as your left is 0, and here take R as letters dot length minus 1. So now you have to what you have to just take one char answer. This is what you need to return. So let's say initially in this I'm just going to pass letters of 0. Now you have to simply run this loop while your L is less than equal to R. And inside this, what you do? First, you have to calculate the mid. So how you calculate the mid? Simple formula, L plus R minus L, and here divide it with 2. So this is the formula that I'm using. This is same as, what is the formula that I have written? L plus R minus L divided by 2. This is the formula that I have written here. L plus R minus L divided by 2. So here this is same as this, and you can write it 2L plus R minus L. So this is same as L plus R divided by 2. Why I'm not writing it like this? So in case if this value and this value is very large, and if I'm doing the addition, so we may get integer overflow type error. So it's best to write it like this. So that's why we write like this. Okay, so once this is done, we calculate the mid. Then after that, I will simply check here if letters or at this particular mid, if it is greater than target. So that simply means that this is acceptable. This is acceptable. So what I will do, I will update my answers as the letters of mid value. So I have updated this, but maybe my answer, if I am saying now, if it is acceptable, then check in this range. So my next time my R is going to be mid minus 1. And if it is not acceptable, let's say, then we have to check. If it is not acceptable, then we have to check in this range like this. So in that case, what will happen? L is equal to mid plus 1. This is how we write binary search code, right? And once all this is done, then from here you have to simply return answer. That's it. So this is your binary search code. Now let's run it. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And if you see the time complexity of this problem, it is going to be of log n. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.